Hello everyone and welcome to Kaksha's Scholarship Prep on Verbal Reasoning. This would be question number 7 of your 1000 question series session where you'll have 15 seconds to analyze the question and come up with an answer or solution. This video will also have the correct answer as well as explanation to the solution that we come up with. At the same time, we'll also provide tips and tricks on how to tackle similar questions. Let's get started. Here is the question. Look closely at the following word, listener, Listener. A single word of 8 letters can be made by resorting all the letters. Choose the correct 8-letter word from the list below. And the options are A. RILIENTS, B. ENLISTER, C. REINLIST, D. SILENER, E. TINSELER. Your time begins now. All right, 15 seconds are up. Here's the correct answer. It's B. ENLISTER. ENLISTER is the correct answer to the question, which is a single word of 8 letters, which is listener, that can be made by resorting all the letters. And the right answer is ENLISTER. Now, let's go through a bit of an explanation and let's understand this question a bit better. The question basically had a 8-letter word and we are supposed to find a 8-letter word that is an anagram of listener. That is a word formed by rearranging all its letters. This means the new word must use all the letters exactly once and be a valid word. So let's analyze the answer. Option A, RILIENTS. The letter arrangement is firstly incorrect, and RILIENTS is not a valid English word. It does not exist. So option A we discarded. Option C, REINLIST. So similar letters, but this is not a valid anagram of listener. Option D, SILENER, only 7 letters. It's missing 1 letter. It's not a valid anagram either. Option E, TINSELER. Similar letters but not an exact match, and this is not a correct anagram. So we got option B, ENLISTER. So if you rearrange listener, it will become ENLISTER. All the letters match exactly, and this is the correct anagram. Now, let's go through some tips and tricks on how to solve similar problems or questions. So, number 1, count the letters. Ensure the word has the same number of letters as the original word. So if you analyze all the options, we'll immediately discard option number D because it has 7 letters. Number 2, identify common prefixes and suffixes. So look for common English words ending like ER or IST or ING. So if we analyze all the options, you will see option number B, it has some prefixes or suffixes in here. So ER as an example. You'll see some common words in some options as well, like list, LIST. Break the word into smaller parts. What does this mean? So, recognizing familiar chunks, listen in listener or list or EN or ER, a combination of these can help in rearranging the letters. So let's see how we can map this in the options. So if we see B, it has the word list as an example. That gives you a bit of a clue. C also has list, but REINLIST is not a word. So as a result of this, we'll focus on option number B and we'll kind of discard the other options in the question as well. Use the scramble test. Write down the word and then rearrange the letters to see if a meaningful word appears. And if we go ahead and analyze the whole options again, we'll immediately discard option number A because it's the word does not exist. D, it's a 7-letter word. So out of options B, C, and E, option number B and E have a bit of a clash in here, so option number B is looking a bit much more closer when we use the scramble test. And then eliminate incorrect choices quickly. So if word contains extra or missing letters or it does not look like a real word, discard it immediately. So we are left with option number B, which is ENLISTER. And that's the right answer to our question today. I hope this was valuable. I would love for us to learn together. If you go to www.kaksha.com, you'll find many different videos which relate to verbal reasoning and your scholarship prep. At the same time, every single day, we are uploading tons of content on our YouTube channel. Feel free to check it out and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.